Morning everybody, today's video day. Got our 2-year-old bulls ready to get some video taken of them, do it individually, and we're gonna see how this goes. Got some help coming later, but we're gonna try a little bit of this myself, and hopefully they'll be cooperative today. I've had them in here a little bit, they munched on some grass. Maybe they'll be happy and cooperative. So filming for YouTube's definitely not my priority today, but I've got the camera with me, same camera I use, so I'll take a few clips and just have to sort them when I edit. Yeah, who wants to go first? Wants to go first? You? Hervey? Oh, I don't need both of you. Who's next? 49 or 50? 50 it is. Yep. Getting frisky. You're not gonna like it when it's 80 degrees on Sunday. Today's Friday, March 1st, if I didn't say that earlier. Hey, what are you doing? Feeling good? Different pen? Yeah, let's just walk around the pen for a minute. And you can go back with your friends. Time to present you to somebody that'll want you to help make some babies. If we were having a jogging contest, this would be a jogging contest. Yeah, you'd win it so far. Yep, trotting, not a horse. I don't know what clips I'll put in there, but yeah, it can be not so fun sometimes. Not because they're mean or nasty or anything. It's just something new to them. They're confused, maybe a little scared. Different pen, want to rump around, feeling good. Out on grass, technically. So, Rome's growing already. We kind of have an early spring. Come on. Out you go. Hey, I just opened the gate for you. Come on. Go down there, open the gate. You going? Your turn. Lot 44. Ah, it feels good, doesn't it, buddy? You're done. Take off. Finish tinkling later. K12, lot 46, I believe. No, 46 is behind me. Which one are you? Are you 47? 47. Who's next? Lot 41. Lot 41 on his way out. There you go. Yep, he didn't like being in here anyway. He was one that really didn't like being by himself. Hey bud, how's it going? Friendly fella, you want to be next? 46, I think it's your turn. You're standing in the spot. Yeah, walk right on out there for me. Oh, turn around. Are you a bucking bull? Huh? Are you a bucking bull? That wasn't highly necessary. Gate's open, buddy. There you go. On out. Say hi to your friends. Give them a good wallop as you go by. Well, he might give you one. You next, friendly boy? There you go. Walk right on out there. Come on. Yeah, you want to sniff the camera? Or whether you took a good picture or not. Or whether you were a good picture taker or not. Come on, let's go over to the fence. Oh, now we're going to get persnickety. I'm trying to make you do something. Come on. Turn around. Turn around. Walk. Okay. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it. There's your open door. Have at it. I tell you, cattle are weird. As friendly as can be, but they still like to romp around and be pains in the butts. And sometimes the ones that are a little shy act the best when you get out here. It's been an interesting experience. The last several years I've videotaped our cattle. You know, every animal's different in their own way. They've all got personalities, and there's definitely no denying that. Is there, boys? Says, huh? You already got me on camera enough. Leave me alone. I think it's your turn, 49. Yep. $45 or 43. It's gonna be 45 unless 43 spins around, or this one does something silly. There you go. Thanks, man. 45. Yeah, you were an easy one. Don't make me chase you all over to get you out of here, though. Come on. Yeah, you didn't get to go over there because you was a good boy. Come on. How'd you go? How'd you go before the rest of them decide to come back in? Doubt they would, other than they probably want the grass. There we go. Yeah, Bumpy says, hey, out of my way. Last bull in this group, lot 43. Come on, fella, on your way out. A little downhill there. All right, you're done, I think. Out you go. What's up, fellas? Want to take some videos today? Oh, that's lovely. I guess that's one that I'm not videoing, so that's a bonus. Don't have a whole lot left in here. What's up? There's lot 1. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Yeah, you got me. You got me. All right, let's get you guys in. Lot 1. Lot 12. Yeah, I guess I didn't catch his number. 13. L53. up with you after sale, all right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll just see you in the morning on the 20th.
Yeah. Load up. Come on. Here. Come on. Find the home. Back in that trailer. We're going to go back home and have a second meal. Come on. Everybody find the hole. Hip, hip, hip. Yeah. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah. I don't care which, I guess. Well, hey guys, you probably saw a few clips of us loading those yearling bulls back up to take them back home. We have to haul them across just like we do when we take pictures. We got our picture pin over here, just a really nice place for it that we came up with. Unfortunately, it's not connected right to the farm. You could drive them there, but it'd be a bit of an ordeal. So just to haul a few loads isn't such a big deal. But got a little bit of a emergency fence fixing job here. Grab some fencing supplies, and Dad has been having calves get out underneath this. Right here, unfortunately, is what he says. So we're going to see what we can do to fix that. I think we're going to jump around on the neighbor's property and drive some fence posts to tie some wires to. Easier than hopping the fence, and when it's just down the way there, then I'll probably go back to the other side of the fence to string the wire. Work smarter, not harder. I do abide by that rule. I'm not lazy. Just do what makes sense. Or try to do what makes sense. So to drive a post when you already have fence here, you kind of have to move the fence away. Unfortunately, that tree branch is kind of in the road too, but I think we'll make it work. Oh yeah. It might be on rock. Pretty solid. We'll call it all right. The T isn't all the way in the ground, unfortunately. And I picked a 5.5 out of 6, so I'm not going to get the top post, but we've got those, so we should be all right. Still, fence is tight. Sometimes you get some of these older fences and they're Got a little wobble to it, but we're gonna drive a second post about halfway down there. We'll probably just run the wire all the way to the big post. But I think you guys can see that. Yeah, you guys can see the big post in the far corner there. Let's roll it back around to the other side. Through these weeds or trees that are here, and come here and mow them. I guess we end up using the gate more than the neighbor does. So as you guys can see, this is a plate that we put underneath gates, and this is a little where the gate used to be at, and it's broke off, and there is absolutely nothing holding this gate on. Something could push right through here, unfortunately. Not that they couldn't possibly go through that hole too, but we'll at least try to maybe prevent that. So I guess our option is to tie some wires around this tree. It's the only option I see. So this is not going to be some super awesome fix-it job here. This is going to be it's a good enough job, mostly because where it's at and whatnot. Mostly just going to try to at least have it tied on. If it was some perfect brand new place or something, we might pull a little more into it, but this is going to take quite a bit of wire to get around that big old tree. We usually double wrap everything. I don't know if I'm going to do that or not, because I'm probably going to have to use more wire than I've ever thought about using on something in my life, because we've never used a post quite that big. So I guess we're going to make a cut and hope that the wire is long enough. The biggest problem in the world. Wire around it. Here we go. Found the wire. Oh, it's probably way longer than what I actually need. Oh well. So right now, I don't know if you guys can see that, is this wire separated here, and we want to try to make sure that it's close together when you wrap around the tree, or you end up with only one half, but really only on one half of the wire that's tied at all. I think we're going to actually run this above there. Fix that again. Fix that again. And all good. There we go. So that was a little more wire than what I did need by about probably 3 foot, but oh well. I don't know that it is anymore, but I was told when I was young, wire's cheap. It's easier to cut some off of what you use than have to cut a new piece. I don't know if really that's the case anymore, but still what we theorize. Those two pieces there are actually probably long enough to tie on wire to a T-post, which I will have to do down at another spot. So hey, we didn't waste any wire at all. Look at that. So I've shown these probably on camera before, but maybe haven't talked about them. These are fence pliers. They're pretty nifty. So you cut wire by going in that little loop there, and you grip stuff here. This is a single tooth. They have double ones too. The double ones have its advantages, and these ones do too. I can't tell you which one I like better. This one probably for putting on T-post clips. The double one's probably actually for twisting wire, but it's kind of hard to have both on you all the time, so just usually use what's available, and we've got a lot more of the single ones anyway. The double ones seem to be harder to find. Move the gate closer. All right, one impromptu gate repair. That gate's probably not going to get open that much, so it's really more of like a permanent fence anyway, but it did need tied on. This gate probably needs a little TLC. So we'll add that to the big long list of things to do. There we go. Cut that dang tree. We cut several trees out here a few years ago to get in there to do some fence fixing, and of course they'd all grown back up, so need to come spray. But I did recently learn from a survey that technically this little bit has always been considered the neighbors, but this little bump out here that we own actually starts more like right here and goes that way and then goes back. The surveyor says that this fence that's been here for eons gets too far to the east as it comes north, so who knows. All right, now let's go fix up the fence where we drove those two posts. Maybe we'll check this other fence as we go by it, make sure everything kind of looks kosher there. No clips missing or anything like that. It's not the greatest fence in the world. Okay, so generally you would probably have a nice big corner post or something to tie wire to, but when it comes to water gap fencing, that's basically what this is. The rules don't apply as much, we'll put it that way. So we're going to take this, what's left of this little bit of new roll of wire, the tail end of a new roll of wire works really well for having to string out little new pieces of stuff. We're going to take this and wrap it around, but I need my fence pliers. Got them. We're going to wrap it around this T-post and take it to that big wooden post down there that I showed you earlier. And we're going to go around the T-post a couple of times, just like you would any other normal post. And we're going to kind of look at our distance here, see what we think. Our spacing, that should work all right. Come up, go around. I don't know how well you guys can see that, if at all. So they don't always string out the best, like to get caught on things. All sorts of discombobulated. So in this instance, it would probably be beneficial if I was on the other side. In fact, I don't know if I can do it without being on the other side, but I'm going to have to pull from the other side. I know that. Just the way the fence is. Undo this. Whoops, stick the wire in it. The wire came back out of it. It'll lock open. There we go. And then it's got another jaw on the other side of it, so if you're pulling wires together like you've got a break in the wire, that's how you would do that. There's some special pullers we use sometimes for the end of it, just for one deal. I wouldn't get that set up. But we're going to get this pulled as tight as I can. It's not an exact science, and it doesn't have to be perfect. The tighter it is, the better it will be. There we go. I think that's pretty tight. Maybe it needs to come up a hair, but I think I'll probably fix it for the most part. It's pretty tight. I just got to get her tight here, and so I'll show you how we do that. So I may have a little more wire here than what I really need, and sometimes we go around it twice. And I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna get it, put it on the wire, kind of like this. And I'm gonna use the post to dig the barbs that are kind of in the back side of this into the post, and that'll kind of tighten it up on the post and hold it there. And I'm gonna go ahead and send it around the second time. Oh, I think I cut it just right. You always want to make sure you don't pinch your fingers. But it should be all right now. We just gotta put clips on all these and kind of look at it again and give it the hopefully final okay. I got my last 4 pieces of wire cut here. Didn't bring any clips with me, so we use wire if we don't have clips, or someplace the clips seem to come off of all the time. And well, I just didn't think about grabbing clips, so it takes a little longer, but it'll last longer probably too. So let's get these put on. So I try to make it to where if something does come rub on the post, that it won't hurt them. Or, I mean, I'm not saying it wouldn't. I mean, they've got barbs and stuff here too, but trying to make it to where there's less chance of stuff getting poked just because it's sticking out. That one isn't the best, but it'll work. And last one. There we go. That's about exactly what I want to do. All right, well, there is 2 new used posts installed. The wire that maybe could have been a hair tighter, but to stop calves from going underneath that little washout there. I imagine a lot of water runs off the neighbor's field and comes down and runs through our slough and goes that way. In 2019 we had lots and lots of rains around here, and this used to be relatively flat there, but that got washed out awful bad then. Well guys, thanks for watching today. I don't know if I'll take any more clips today. Battery on this one's about dead, and the rest of them are about dead from video and all those bulls. It takes some time. I'll probably put a few clips of some stuff in there, but appreciate you watching. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time. Hi there, youngins. How we doing? So this is a cute little black white face baby. I don't know whether that's a bull or a heifer. I'm thinking it's a heifer. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a heifer. And that one there, the all black one, it and its mama are going to be in our sale here in about 3 weeks. I don't know whether I'll have this video out before the sale, but we'll find out. I know the videos that I'm taking today will, but the overall video for this, we'll find out. I scared them off. See you, kids. We're gonna go scare our dog real quick. Woof. What's up? Hey, yo! How you doing, Buddy Meister? What's up? Well, you won't even look at me? You've been neglecting me. You haven't played with me all day. All day. I'm coming to say hi now. I can't pet you here, though, can I? Yeah, hi. Hi. Yeah. Okay. Say bye, buddy.